Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today, hold up, let me just exit out of these. So what should we do? What should we do? Should we go? I never showed y'all around the town. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you. I gotta show y'all. I gotta show you. Am I crazy or what? I gotta show you the video. Wait, I mean the video. Waits for game. Waits for a game. Bro, like I am wait. I'm gonna pause this video until it's time. Because it finally loaded. Okay. I'll go teleport there. Guys, we are here. I can't get out the car. Okay. So, it's a little small. Change of plans. My friend, Gravity, invited me to work at her food. Instead, I'm going to drive there. Whatever. Oh no. But this looks pretty. Okay. Not yet. We just gotta go over this bridge if we have one. Coming in my car. Wow. She said hi, guys. I'm just gonna take a little shower. Oh, no. Now, boys, okay. Long black sheep, have 11 more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 in a row. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 in a row. Well, I hope you like it. I hope you guys like this video. If it is, smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.